Well, legend has it that North Indian immigrants from Punjab settled in the 80s in a place called Chicken Koliwada in central Mumbai. That's when they started a recipe called Jhinga Koliwada or Prawn Koliwada. Well, over the years, there are various versions of that recipe, ranging from Chana Koliwada to something that we're making today, which is a Chicken Koliwada. Well, first things first is to make a batter, and this is going to be a batter using some multiple things. Well, the first one is refined flour. Call it maida, call it all-purpose flour. That's completely personal. The next one is besan. Well, this will help in making the batter nice and sticky, and will kind of nipper or almost envelope the pieces of meat or chicken. The next one is cornstarch, and this is to make the batter nice and crisp. For some color and spice, this is red chilli powder, which is a combination of chilies that give you good color and heat. The next ingredient is Asafoetida or hing, and this one is only and only used because of the chane ka atta or the besan that is used, because that will help in better digestion. The next is Chat Masala, of course, to make it nice and chatpata. And the next ingredient is ajwain. Now, ajwain are carom seeds, and this is actually the base premise or the base flavor of Chicken Koliwada or Prawn Koliwada. Well, I like using it directly, but what you can do is you can just toast it lightly, just crush it lightly, and that will also kind of help in intensifying the flavor. The next and the final ingredient is salt as required, and this one is just used once now in the batter. We need to mix all of this together, and with the help of water or an egg, we need to make a thick batter. Mix all of this together. Of course, you can use your hands. That's the best. But otherwise, if you're not comfortable, you can also use a whisk, because what you need to convert this is into a nice, thick, lump-free batter. This batter at this stage is a little denser, it's a little pastier. We need to just loosen this lightly, and for that, just a touch of more water. Chicken Koliwada, like I said earlier, is a bar snack, and it's very peculiarly red in color. It's crisp, yet it's soft in the middle. Well, there are two flavors that actually define a Koliwada or an Amritsari. The flavors here are red chilli powder and ajwain, also known as carom seeds. All you need to do is toast the carom seeds lightly, just crush them a little, and that's where the flavor comes out beautifully of ajwain, and that in a way is the signature flavor of that recipe. The batter needs to be nice and of pouring consistency. The next step is, of course, to put in chicken breast, which has been cut into long strips. Well, for a detailed video, click in the description box below, and there you will find a complete video in which you can cut chicken in various different ways. The chicken strips, of course, need to be washed. They need to be patted dry, because the batter needs to kind of coat the chicken, and that way it will cling onto it while frying. Mix all of this. You can keep this marinated in the refrigerator only and only if you need. If you think there are guests coming home and you're doing this for a party, marinate this, keep it in the refrigerator, and fry this absolutely garma garam for your guests. The next step, of course, is to fry this on medium to high flame till these are crisp and golden brown in color. Our chicken Koliwada is fried and ready. Now this, of course, needs to be transferred on an absorbent tissue paper for all the excess oil to be absorbed away. And similarly, let's start frying the rest of the chicken. With this, chicken Koliwada is done and ready, and this goes amazingly well, just like that. But what you need to do is sprinkle in some generous amchur or raw mango powder with some splash of lemon. Well, Koliwada or Amritsari is possibly one of my most favorite starters. Any home party and Koliwada in some form, whether it's a jhinga or a chana or a vegetable Koliwada for the vegetarians, or the paneer Koliwada for, of course, my paneer loving friends, or chicken Koliwada, has to be there. It's absolutely simple, it's very quick, it's very simple, and it's very easy. And trust me, one of the most amazing starters. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to get Curried. And for more such stunning recipes, stay tuned.